Hi everyone, welcome back to Dent Motion. My name is Jorge, and this is a 2015 Toyota Tundra TRD. Really nice truck, 50,000 miles. The customer brought it in for some paintless dent repair. It's on the rear door on the driver's side. No, on the passenger side. Sorry about that. His child came out of the vehicle, and the wind caught it, opened it really hard, and broke the latch, and it made a really ugly crease, which actually looks like an S. Let me show you the damage. Look at this crease, which, I don't know, maybe like a question mark in reverse. Seems like most of the pressure is tied up here, and then it also made another crease right here. As you can see it's about right here. So fortunately, nothing happened to the paint. There's a tiny little crease there that that's just going to stay there because it's indented into the paint. There's not much we can do with it. I'm going to try to wet sand it and buff it and see if it comes out. But I will show you the process. Okay everyone, let me show you the progress. The S is beginning to look more like an I now, or the reversed question mark. Better and better and better, little by little. There's probably, I don't know, not much left. If I had to say, it's roughly 3 inches, maybe 2.5. Looking a lot better, a lot better. I'll show you the end. Okay, here's the final product. The end result. Paintless dent repair. The crease was here somewhere. It's gone now. Paintless dent repair. If your paint is not gone, this is what can be done utilizing the paintless dent removal process. Faster repair. This truck was here for 4 hours. Same day. A fraction of the cost what the body shop, if they had to paint it, would cost. I would guesstimate $1,500 to paint this whole side, because they would have to blend and paint both of these doors. So this was a perfect candidate for paintless dent repair. Fortunately, we were able to save it from going to the body shop. Beautiful truck. All right, everyone. Remember, 720-552-0808 calls me directly. We can talk about your damage. You can text me pictures at that number. Dent Motion is my website. If you choose to check out the website, go there. I have some pictures, some videos. Check us out on Facebook, Dent Motion. Once again, I'm Jorge, the owner of Dent Motion. I love to take care of your car. And remember, paintless dent repair, it's the affordable way to get your vehicle back to pre-loss conditions. Anyways, keep in touch. Thank you for watching. Take care.